you, babe. If it ain't love, why does it feel so good? Why does it feel so good?
Yeah, the multiple streams of income disciple. Thank you so much for passing through this channel. And what we do here, we present some multiple streams of income with the aim of spreading risk as well as growing a strong and diverse portfolio. One income stream that we are adding now to this channel is Cryp Trade Capital. I've been part of this opportunity for some time, but I have not been invested in it. I have just been watching from the terraces. It started around November, December last year. My upline, the person who sponsored me into this, has gone to Spain and visited the offices of this company. This is the owner of the company. You can also Google him. That's his name. Witalaj Walari with a pato, about 45 years or so old. He's going around meeting investors. So there is transparency in this. They trade in cryptocurrencies, and I'll show you how much you can earn from this. But just to give you like a flavor of what this company is all about in terms of where it's coming, it's kind of like a typical corporate, if you like, sort of opportunity, but it's not really mainstream, because the mainstream opportunities would pay you very less returns. This one has got some decent returns. Let's log in side and then you can see. I will not start big with this compared with other things that I'm doing. Gaining or earning a lot from the Bitcoin space. So part of my earnings now, I'm diversifying and funding opportunities like this, the Cryp Trade or Cryp Trade Capital. You can start with as low as $50. Here there are plans. I'll just take you here. They've got about 3 levels from which you can start. You can start with the standard art, which is as little as $50 up to $4,999. And this one, I'll just click on it so that you see the returns that you can get. It pays 0.59% daily, which translates into 17.7% per month. When you extrapolate that over a year, it becomes 215%, which is very good. When you're starting, you will not see the real benefit, because if you start small, the returns will not be, but over the period of a year, it's really good. The other plan is the Mega, and then with this one you earn from 0.79, and that is 23% per month. This plan starts from 5,000 up to 9,999, and then you have another plan, which is the VIP. Starts from 10,000 to 20,000. You get about 0.99%, which is, let's say you start with 10,000, that is about $99 per month, and it comes to, if you multiply by 30 days, just a few dollars shy of hitting 3,000. A good passive income stream for somebody if you've got like maybe a 10K that you want to stake away, put away, and then earn from it, and then 3 months you break even, and then you continue earning. These are some of the pairs that they trade. BTC against Ethereum, BTC against USDT, and so on. That's how they are getting the money. They have, if you see here, been holding events. So I'll just show you so that you see that they are really going out to meet people, and then you can get an indication that this is a real company. This is not just one of those companies. See here, this is what's happening with the company. They have been holding events across the globe, and they're going strong. This is a good time to enter. apart from the investment, I'm gonna make a live deposit, my first deposit with the company. But before I do that, I should say, although you have this passive stream to earning with Cryp Trade or Cryp Trade, you also have another way of earning with them if you build a team. I will not go into much detail there, but if you're a team builder and then your team generates a volume of 1,000, you get some bonuses, and then you get about $50, I think. And the higher you go, and you'll be gaining some commissions on different levels. But this is one of those opportunities that I don't really think building a team is such a big deal. If you can build, it is good, but just, I mean, putting your money into it and then earning some passive income from it without really being bothered about team building, it is still good with this opportunity. So what I'm going to do now, I will show you how you can deposit. But before I do that, I want to show you how you can set your wallet or your payment details, because you can't deposit until you set your payment method here. So your account settings, this is where you do you put your names. This is the, I mean, the default like settings you get when you sign up. Then the profile settings, here you just put your name, your city, your address and stuff like that. Payment systems settings rather, this is where you put, if you're gonna use Bitcoin, you put your Bitcoin address and then you put it there like I've done. If you're gonna go perfect money, you put your perfect number there. If you're gonna use add cash, then you put your details there. So once you do that, you save. So I've saved my details there. And then what I need to do now, let me go back to the dashboard. I want to deposit. To deposit, you simply go to your dashboard and there are two options on your wallet. Either you replenish or you withdraw. When you want to withdraw, it takes up to about 72 hours. They pay twice a month, around the 15th of each month and the 30th of each month. So it is a good like opportunity to just build. So for me, I'm going to replenish and then I'll sort of like be building it with a plan to hit about 10k in 90 days, so that I can earn a passive income of about just a few dollars shy of 3,000 every month. So to deposit, I will just click on replenish, and then it will take me to this stage, and then I put the amount, and I'll put $500, and then I'll choose my payment method, which is Bitcoin. Then I'll replenish, I'll click there, then it will take me there, then you say form of payment. I'll click on the form of payment, because right here it will be showing me that they use coin payment. So I scroll down actually, sorry, and then I click on proceed to payment, and then here I get this address that is generated. You've got about a day and some time to sort of like do this, and the amount is going to be 0.225 in Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin has been really doing pretty well. So it's just costing a few BTC to get $500. I go to my wallet, and then I choose where I want the money to come out from, and then it's gonna come out from here. Then I click on send, I paste the address here, then I go back to see the amount. The amount is 0.255. So I copy every detail here to make sure that I'm sending exactly what is generated there, exactly what the system wants me to send. Right, I'm not gonna do high priority, I'll just say standard. Then I'll just stick in my password. I confirm. Then it wants me to approve, so I'll just go on my phone, get the approval done, or the second factor verification. Right, wait for it, just bear with me, it's coming. Phone is loading. Right, so just come there, then I confirm, then it is gone through. So that's it, approved. If I go back to my account, Cryp Trade, yeah, my wallet balance is gonna show $500 at some point. This is what I've last replenished. It's still yet to appear. It will take some time, a few minutes to be cleared on the blockchain. So that's how you do it. And the other thing that you can do as well before you invest, sort of like use their calculator to get an indication of what you can earn. Suppose you are on the 5,000 plus. What's gonna happen there is, if you click on it, right, click on it here, it shows you a bar here. So let's suppose you want to invest 6,000. This is what you get daily. 6.2 you get daily, about $50. If you want to invest maybe $100, no, that's no. If you want to invest like because this is a minimum of 5,000. If you want to invest 7,000, for example, 500, and then you get $59 daily. The year it comes to 21,000. This is a solid opportunity, an opportunity that you can just slowly build, or maybe just do a one-off deposit and earn for about 3 months. You break even, and for the rest of the year, 9 months, you are in pure profit. So to sign up, it's pretty simple. I'll give you the link below, and then you can just sign up. But if you have got somebody else that you be signing up under, it's still okay. But how to do it, this is my link. I'll just put it here at the bottom, then you see how you sign up. Basic information that you need is when you just click on registration, and then you put your email address, password, and then you log in, username, your last name, first name, your country, you register. That's about it. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon in the other videos. Cheers.